A recently added feature is that the collision detection is now done in real time. You are also able to set thresholds, so it is possible to construct good hard contacts without creating excessive intersections. Teeth movements will be limited by the threshold, and the selected tooth will be highlighted with a blue color. You will notice the values of the intersections are shown, along with the minimum distance between the teeth. This allows you to adjust that distance without having to rotate models excessively, or search for them using the cross-section tool. The system keeps track of all intersections in real time, and will show you which sub-setups have an intersection that potentially needs to be handled. In the overview list of setups and sub-setups, a red exclamation mark is displayed next to those that have intersections. If you have activated the thresholds beforehand, a gray exclamation mark will indicate that intersections are present, but their values are lower than the given threshold. As the bite changes constantly during the treatment, the software focuses on the intersections within teeth only on the same jaw. In the Setup and Staging Timeline tool, you are able to see which sub-setups have intersections, and between which teeth specifically. You can switch that function on or off. Again, the red and gray exclamation marks indicate the severity of intersections. When you hover your mouse over any of them, the exact value will show up.